Right? Gotta make sure I look good. Don't mind the hair. Not a paid advertisement, but that's who helped us out with our tracks. Anyhow, old selfie mode, new selfie mode. The gimbal's not new, a little new to me, trying to figure it out. This is what's new. As you can see, this gives us the ability to do things like look around. Okay? Check out that Defender there we got the other day. Y'all got to see the video of that. Right? So anyhow, we're gonna fix a windshield pardon me. I guess I don't really have to hold my phone up, I get used to it. Anyhow, we're going to fix a windshield. As you can see, we built this window to use an old side-by-side window for the actual window, and we didn't think of it. Lo and behold, she don't hold up at 160 kilometers an hour on a trailer. So that's a new hinge for that. Slide some new hinge in there, and get this one ready to go. And once we're done with this one, you guessed it, we have to finish up with the Defender. I'll get it up on the hoist, actually take a better photo of it afterwards, or video of it after. Let's start drilling out rivets. Next, we just take our outside piece. I can't get it in a strip long enough, so take our outside piece, lopped her on that, marked her on that side, marked it on the other side already, cut her off, and away we go. You can't stop me now. My feet have come too far for you to tie up to Anyhow, since we filmed this, number one, I've got a haircut. I'm not gonna say that nasty word, but it is messed everything up. Anyhow, haircut. Another Argo Windshield video coming out as we speak. I'm working on it in the shop because he blew her out again.